Summer found the falling rain. Would flowers learn to speak my name? Every laugh would hide a sigh, like painted stars in daylight skies. Maybe every drop still knows the place where all our dreaming grows. Summer in the rain, you still want my heart again. Every step, every song feels like where you still belong. Summer in the rain, smiling through the sweet old pain. Though the clouds may drift away, you still color every day. The wind still hums a melody of every little memory. Time moves on, but deep inside, your light still walks with mine. Every season gently turns, but some small fires always burn. Summer in the rain, you still want my heart again. Every step, every song feels like where you still belong. Summer in the rain, smiling through the sweet old pain. Even when the sky turns gray, love will never